ni khupa mi pite ho na bon zawin pipi chongloi tok shwa kahin le move phat som khat pi chu boina le ha sana tam ta zain tok show ha ana ki bol thei tapon hi zong le pathenin damna le phat phai pe ki nawin avela tunia tok show ho bozom jing thea im zewin patheni thangba win he he chi tok show kahin bozing lai hin in a wezing ovin mi za khat walang kahin ki holimpina hin profession za chom kahin ki hopin tunia special guest hi ahile zaum ta brother tombing paite ama hi talented hi in book author zong hi in education entrepreneur zong hi in chule counselor zong hi in ke tabonga tunia hi ama expertise ama thep na langa hi kahung ki ho hundi hi in ama spend penin ke talk show kahin le me thank you so much for being my special guest today
thank you ke le ai mona kongom thei talk show ya ya siam na tuam te gen khian na di hun kan nei manena ki pa kun gen he
thank you ke ka talk show audience hodinga na nang self introduce ang ki bolo
ke lamon sang tom bin ka hi entrepreneur ka hi lai bu ka gala training te ka pia seminar te ka pia khotanga dia sep thei tuam ka se ma children home te bang church bang school banga seminar te training te pia na hi chin kana ke janga hi ai kha tom chika the introduction hile
okay thank you so much nangin lekha tam ta publish na hin bolin na four of your books are in Paite and one is in English so can you tell us about your book especially this is the latest published right
so the latest
ji them khat hong sayo le
life and career transformation kha a certificate course tuam career to kisai career related course somwal kana jawa waizo bana laibu tuam kana sima 2018 akipara school tuam career guidance ai kala motivational speed tuam te kana pia school mun som thum wal banga he career to kisai naw pangte panpi na naw pangte exam motivation ya mai kele career guidance te kana pia wai ka piak te tung to na kha experience tampi ka nga wai ki para kha yai lai bu student te tam zo sem nu le party ta te lai sim na to ki saya apan pi the na dingu hi kom le student te ma mai le simu aham khat pi the dia kha yai lai bu ka gal khia ta hiya asim te na ana sim leu chin mindset o ma habits o ma skill tuam hin khuwa ahon pan pi the di tuam te ki gela bangzia ka student khen khat te lo chingbang la ka topper de na bangzia ka a fail de na chi te vel bangle sunga oma wai zo bana e lungsim ki saklok na mindset habits tuam te bangchi dana lo ching di pan lak di tu lai society i problem tampi yai sunga ki tun kha hi wai zo kha yai muna mention award mentioning the way ale speed learning speed reading chimeni pai kha oma pangchidana rai sim kin ding ma ki sim kin di dan to ki sai oma pai pian bang khana sim thei leu chen student ten kha yai mathematics sai kele science te hilo subject dang te khat pe kha kin dawa ale ni ale thum na normal speed wa ki para sim ding dan le ong ki gyal suwa ka ya sunga chi kha tom chi ka konggen hele
thank you kezong chi he gift in a bolin kana ki mu masak na sa kasimin ka phat chom pi le zengin nang honjong na ki chawana na sim theyo he let's move on to your other expertise tu lai ta he DMIT test na boi pe na bozing lai he in where were you doing this Olaya course nangin na nazilham in order to be somebody who is doing the test Olaya certificate course na nazilham ale tu laya hi na bole holai na office sam hem khat explanation hin bol hit chan
okay ya me te ga lo mai na public ground kyang office kania kum nga vel kana rana wai zo ina Mizorama na semena kum khatle khali kana oma wai zo Shillong office khali hong ka ba hong mana trade license issue to kisai problem om ja kena ka sun jom kia wai zo Delhi ka ba paya yai DMIT test to kisai le a popular pe na hiya test tuam chi som ni lam ka test thei na la ka kha DMIT ka favorite hiya wai zo ban yai DMIT kha anga atun kha ka tam ma ka test teng la ka wordy pen ka sa wa ja ka DMIT khana sata ka promote hiya elam ka sung le Mizoram le Shillong chi tia le a first person to conduct this test kana hiya Itanagar tanbang le ka paya midang kwa ma test petheom lo hiya gawatia khami khatoma wai pan kha test apel la ma wai pen le ka teacher pa student te ma hi chi kha konggen hi le in Delhi akazila hiya ka teacher pan kha Singapore avazila hiya 2013 vela ka teacher pa Delhi apenina 2014 akipata ana test ana conduct charina kum som lam hi software ti jang ta hi chi kha tamlo konggen hi le ma
so twa hilam ka hi office na hon dichla le so DMIT test to charges izat ham pungizana kona pungizat chen na hon di ham and then age group na for children for adults hiloile idabang age group ho in chi test ala the ham
DMIT test ka ahoi na ma mai le psychometric test leo ma psychometric test chi questionnaire based hi awai te le class 8 tung lamin atang pin hi thia class 6 apat hi thei pol le chom dia ye DMIT test hi le kum khata pat tung lam khat ve test dam sung dai test ni test thak ngai lo tua kum ni anaw pang baby khat kum ni khat test sak pen kha after 20 years 30 years ang test le same report will come out because our fingerprint never change ipiang ki pada fingerprint ya align ki te fingerprint te kha kim sang piang ma ki be lab lo ki la khelo wa ja ka a report pen kha khat ve test dam sung da hiya atang pia ni test mi sang le zali lam kana conduct ta from 2022 December wa ki para kha sang khat le zali lam kana conduct ka huai la ka atam zo 80% vel kha kum som le kiat nuai lam naw pang kum khat ong test le ma kum ni kum thmong test atama anaw pang apiang apau thi nai lo te na san leng te sai atam zo kha huai category a hi azia kha ta ti kep na dia kha yai test pen man phalwa career test ong hi cha chu directly career chong hi it's not about how the brain works this and that a function ting hi kha hol lo ma ei pen kha DMIT kha hoi pen hi chimai ni wai kha tua kha Delhi aparong pai ki kai ja kha office ka jong lai chata yai mun chi ge kha kanai thei ki le DMIT test counseling to ki sai chu ka phone number khong contact leo ama win ma ama ba pa ya 5-10 minutes
door to door okay
ahia tu le tu chu office nei nai lo jong lai phot ko office lui pen la last year tai san ta ke chama in a timing chu ni ta ga le thei su na le thei jing kalan nek ma le thei flexible timing
then we have to put your phone number in the screen so that people will contact you right okay that's great so this DMIT test is it more like predicting the future or is it like testing someone's personality or what is it feedback itabang namu what kind of feedbacks do you get is it accurate like people say it's true kind of thing
athi siam lo ten khai they think that I am banga future predict ong sawi chu ai ke le ai palm reader te ong sawi chu the siam lo ten palm reader chu a Christian society da chu de huai lo chu ma ban gen na to ki sai kia pen khai ai palm to ki sai khalo ma ban yai huna ji na ne di pasal na ne di na si di chi tak ki sai khalo yai kia pen kha scientific proof in chin kum za som nga lam research studies si mai ni mi khat chok i lo mi tuam mi na hiu scholar research scholar tena paper sang li lam agyalu hi fingerprint to kisai ki kai komen mi lak nga lam a fingerprint analyze wa to a software ang kizanga hiya wa jaka accuracy ile internet ko ile 95% accuracy ve ai pen kha 95% inchin psychometric test ka hi khen kha te bang 85% accuracy azia kha a student in a question pen banga wrong interpretation banga nei khak le wrong answer wrong page to psychometric test ma inchin yai pena le wrong interpretation bang chi tiam lo fingerprint test cha biometric test pai ja ka yai pen kha hoi ma hi 95% accuracy inchin ka feedback ka client lui counselor mi nga le oma ke bang banga MA psychology zo kya amau le dik sawa hi pastor le oma doctor khat bang kha aman chu thei sia men chen apoi mo na anu power test ata te thum test ain wanar satome ve wai pelet test sak ain kwan ke ma test we ve wai jaga thei siam ten chu ha test ma we in ai kha future prediction to ki sai lo a Christian society I beliefs kal le hi lo wa hi ai kha science lam hi zo ipiang pil na siam na mi zia chi khong to ki sai ipiang pi hoi taga inborn quality thei chang imabana yai bang potential nei wai chu ki gen the mo hi le future prediction chu tuan lo wai
okay I see hiji in order to become this now what kind of course did you take up
specific
mole license nahi ta na le you can do test so in order to be this so where did you take up the course what kind of course did you take up
okay MA psychology ka zawa ma distance learning ka bola hiya kumbang za hiam college ke khitnga ma wai zo bana certification course counseling to kisai 24-25 times more than 3 lakhs kana spend kana zila hiya atang pi na online training leoma offline amun ma ka basinoma ADMIT training chu direct DMIT counselor training certification course hiya ma wai peni wa zo hiat chang kha software to kilei khe khomin chena software to a training is chang certified on chen cha ki thei ja
so you're not questionable right so you're like fully certified and you have the you're authorized to do this right
yeah not only that even this software is in my company name ka office mi no me chu booking growth mi dangai lo ma yai khatia ma hi
alele you just did mine and then I find it very accurate so what was my result again
your result is
I was not dominant
yeah
thank God
your primary personality is compliant ni chi te kha observation skill hoi tak nei wai zo changa analytical wai zo cha perfectionist thil ai chat and details and why so very reasonable reason zanga decision late emotion ni chitu ka zuilo na weakness hi le weakness la ma chu big decision te la khaksa sa di like marriage your partner have to push you have to push you push ngai di nanga kha let's get married chi om follow di not just marriage any big decision you will be afraid to take why so bana
emotional
comply na again like that ma comply na weakness kha dual thot ne ut to ut lo thwa khomo alung sima kiswal den u chime ne mau le mau in chen yai te khonga hi ya a hoi na ma chu yai te kha bank clerk khong ai ke la number song ai ke la thil small details song hi dia hoi ve ka staff te kha ken yai test report ka bol chang a psychometric test hi chang number entry data entry me chu ken ka bol le 2 hours a kaning ki tel jak bol pe talo ke chu dominant ke cha ka staff te nu me khat kha primary secondary compliant ni chu ama ka bol sak dak kwa pat dak li le kim tan non stop boring low bol pe dan a personality to matching e chu
I see
the secondary personality kha steady in chin steady kha mi common person why so yai steady te kha people midangin le nang ngai den ngai na dinang le midang ngai na ti why so chang flexibility how di na luat khol lo le thumang na mi zui the mi kal khol lo di yai steady te kha midang to ke se wang ke se khol lo te ve very kind hearted person te ma
really
yes and very emotional at the same time
you're not lying there yeah I'm very emotional
why so midang kha considerate lo zenu midang opinion kha considerate lo zenu china changcha midang opinion in kha mau easily hard the ai ke midang care lo zen over sacrifice bol kha thi wai kong pilwang steady te ma
okay
midang kai khom midang huai khom midang kilem lo te kilem sak chi khong wai siam we steady te pen ma
okay that's what my test result says
yes
that's true right thank you so you just did my test and nang hozong test na ki bol no a charges to sum chui zat na la di mo le
a charge kha delhi kha sang sagi ki line chen ka teacher pan sang sagi la ma big city sen chen wai zo gowati mi khat test thayom ka chi ka classmate pen aman chu sang gu ka lagai chu to
อืม
ni danga
6,000
3 years ago sang nga lak to sang gu kla
อืม
ken chu yai sana lam ka kha 3000 tan dia ka fix achang cha offer ka bol le 2500 2000 ong ken yam the ma
อืม
in chen ei lam ka sung economic and koma mi tam pi na ham phat pi di en koma kha price
อืม
gowati sanga 50% lesser ka bol le chu
Oh, so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. Tua him mole. Apart from doing this DMIT test, nang to counselor, zong nahi you go to like nowadays galeto like he's a relief camp ho na. More like preaching to interact with the IDPs or like churches wa zong so na chizi chen le. Sa chu charges na lazem.
ni chi da ne chu kak pat tu nga ma when I first started 2018 akha seminar khong kapia kin children home khong rehab center khong school khong a free seminar like zathum ve session khong a free kapia ge chu kum tam pi in covid yai gal me te galong ma chu a fee la pan nga like session khara 3000 rupees for seminar ma lai nga charge honga hiya amau a fee banga chang dot wa le ka ge na a hon dot ke wa ko charge a kunong jang in chang chi to wa la amount piak dan accept ma tu le tu chu notice public notice ka ko ya khathum sung July khatop tan any church any school a u tu tin kha seminar dia kha a hon jot thewe ve community panpi na dia kami pi ka kami le sate panpi na dia kha free seminar career guidance public speaking training ai ke le yai mental health relationship le atuam tuam program ka bolo men chinwai te kha free session ngan di speaking fee som lo di so any person can contact me and we can conduct the seminar. That is one good news that I can bring for you.
That's wonderful. Till July, right?
Yes.
Okay. Tu ako na hi July hatsung chen koi hi zong le church, community, school, college, anywhere, any institutions can invite him and it's free of cost, right? Free session. So that's a huge contribution to the society. That's wonderful. So would you like to add anything to my audience?
Yeah, patang nam le gam it mi ka hiya ma pai ja ka bang hiam initiative pan nuam ke to ki thwa nuam no mo le welcome gi ka hiya seminar vai hiya training vai hiya ke le lai bu ga lung lut bang no mo le contact le chen ai lai bu ti ate kha local la ki publish lo en chen Notion Press Company ti ka hi sakin chen ISBN number la ka lai bu ki ga ISBN number wang ve no ISBN number om ke le chu India government dana even if we locally publish 100 book India government dan we publish 0 book ISBN number om lo ngal wai ja ka kha ISBN number bang cha lak de bang cha Amazon Flipkart alai bu ko idi chi te ve lai ke le yai publisher te bang cha contact de chi vel na thei no pwa leong kan leo chen wai zo lai bu ga lung lut lai bu ka ga lut na chi wa leong kan leo chen ke ma mai leong ga ding ka he chi kha kong gen be hi lai ma yana community a de chu set thi na lam chitenga sen nom ka hi personal ta counseling career guidance counseling chi ya mai ke le mental health a yam na hi no pwa le available ka hi chi kong gena tu chiang kha school tuama young learners St Paul PK chi khongai ke school tuama kha career test ile yai seminar ten apeden ka hi very trustworthy person ka hi chi kha kong kigen soile
Thank you so much. Inam sung wa hi nunga gol hang alo le khang tha te wa hi talented na talent za chum nei bin hin la community service community adinga mancha the athom se in aki mangcha omnom pon hizong le ilawa brother tombing paite ama hi achina athepna ahead na ho hi sang ta hi in he spent likes and likes to acquire all this knowledge and wisdom he chose say inam sung phachom na dinga hin mancha ho hi ikipa pivin amana hin say banga hi to like the school colleges and then adang institution ho azong free course ho appeasing alai a hi in hilai lam kasunga amhodinga zong very plus point a hi na e ho iwang pawin hi zia chu ikibuk theo he ikiko theo as a resource person right then amai to ikiman cha khom theo hi in hitabong golhang tangwal mo golhang felta ine zewin ikipawin pathini thangwawin dunia dingin talk show hi chana ki khum kha intin ahin ngai talk show him le mi pi hozo se ibon chawin pathenin phathe bo taw hen thank you so much once again